Meta has recently released new classes, tech classes that are for people to utilize as a form of technology rather than classes to correct eyesight or anything like that. Um, and I'm not going to speak about it in terms of what it has and what it doesn't really have and whatever else, and you can see reviews for those things. But just a couple of things from the Ray-Ban website. It says, chat with Meta AI to get on-the-go suggestions and answers. Simply ask your AI classes to brainstorm recipes for tonight's dinner or remind you where you parked. You can even learn more about landmarks as you travel or use live translation to have back and forth conversations in 6 languages and counting without Wi-Fi. Some reviewers have said the translation takes quite a bit of time, not minutes, but you can notice the delay, and it's almost like you speak and you're waiting and looking and doing nothing to wait to catch up with the translation. But it's interesting to see that they're using AI in this way, where I feel like it's not the best use of it with such a small display. Also, will people want to wear something all day? And people have concerns about, and they have had concerns about looking at screens, um, particularly for a long time and close. And then this is literally the closest you can get. Also, the price. Do you want to pay smartphone prices? I believe is $7.99 and dollars and over £500 in the UK for smart glasses. Smartphone prices for something that you need your smartphone for, as far as I'm aware. And also, I I'd say you rather pay that same price for a good smartphone than glasses, which you can't use on its own. And also, I'd be interested to see, being into the Simpsons, and Otto is the character which the channel is named after, and I've done a video previously. We've seen in the video, in the episode where Homer gets those glasses, the smart glasses, they predicted it years ago, and only they're catching on now. But then you also saw the pitfalls in the episode in terms of what it can be used for in the bad way. But it'd be interesting to see, but I don't think it will catch on like with smartphones. Also, I don't think it will catch on in terms of people are saying that it could replace smartphones and this could be the primary way we use technology. I do not think that could happen. I don't see that happening in the next 5, 10, 15 years. Um, and ultimately, do people want to be this close to technology with right where they wake up and it's on them and they can see it? And also there'll be concerns about privacy and surveillance and all these other things. If people are able to record, then when you're outside and anyone can record you, you don't even know. And I'm not saying they do this, but it could be. And also, of course, you can do this. You can do this with other tech and other cameras that are tiny that you don't realize is there. But I'm sure people will be concerned. And at the moment, it seems like a new uh, break breaking piece of technology that people are excited about and want to get their hands on. But I don't think it is what people think it is. And I also think in a few years it might even be forgotten about, because you can take the technology a long way, but in such a small device that you have to wear, I don't see it being as successful as people think it will be.